Hi there, hello everyone, this is Chayan from quickpreview.in and let me show you the app Quizify. Quizify is an amazing app if you can use it properly. Like sales funnel can be done easily within some seconds using this tool, and you can playfully earn money, you can playfully capture the leads very easily with this tool. So you can create polls, you can create surveys, you can create quizzes to earn money, to sell your product, to sell others product and earn affiliate earning. Okay, so that is why I strongly recommend you this tool to get and earn money, huge money, not only money. I am suggesting you to earn huge money using this tool. Like you can take any product from ClickBank and you can promote that product using this kind of this kind of quizzes or surveys. You can take the Okinawa flat belly tonic, and after taking that you can build a quiz for the people who has the heavy weight or who possesses the heavy weight. You can create quizzes for them and playfully you can capture their leads. You can send them email again and again, or sometime you get sales in the first visit. Okay, I want to say in the first visit sometime you get sale, and sometime you need to retarget them and you will be getting the sales. So I don't wanna take your time that much. Inside the project you can create video projects can be done, and leads can be captured. You don't need any other autoresponders to integrate, though you can integrate the other autoresponders inside it. Tutorials are given and bonuses. Let me begin with the tutorials. Inside the tutorials there will be the tutorial videos, and these are the leads. There are some pre-captured leads. So next thing is the video. So let me show you one of the demo videos, if I can show you on the new page. So this is the demo video. You can see here, this is one of the demo videos. You can place the demo video. You can think of this kind of demo video will be placed inside your web page, inside your sales page, inside your websites. So you can use the demo videos by clicking on create videos, and then you can put your own title, your own source type, YouTube source. You wanna put the YouTube video here, you can put that also. So after doing all steps, your demo video will be ready like that. Okay, so I think I have opened a blank video template. So next thing is the create project. Inside create project, let me firstly show you one of the projects. How healthy are you, and good morning, what's your breakfast? And doing the same thing you can earn money very easily. That is why I am strongly recommending this tool also for the newbies. You can promote any kind of fitness product, and obesity rate is really high inside USA. You can target them very easily using the quizzes, and you can earn money playfully, and also you can capture the leads. At last, next thing is some quizzes. After doing some quizzes, at last you must take the emails. Some more quizzes should be placed here, but it is not placed here. So let me take you back and let me show you how you can create project. You can click on create project, then you can choose the quiz, new poll or new survey. So let me start with new poll. So you need to create the heading. Inside heading I am putting some random stuffs, and inside sub button text I want to put some random text, and inside the start button icon I want to put some random text. So this is the start button icon, and okay, so I have chosen my type of filter, but it is not taking. I am not sure. So it has taken the start button filter. Next thing these pages will be here, and after doing all of the pages, you can see here, these are the examples of the pages. After doing all of the pages, that will be, or your quiz will be done. You can earn money very easily, and that is why I have written here also on this page. You can see here, you can earn huge profit from online by doing so. By taking some fitness product from ClickBank, you can promote it inside Google using Google Ads, that fat loss or weight loss diet, weight loss dietary supplement, and you can play the quizzes with your customers, and you can get sales. So that's all from my side for this tool. And now from this page you can check out the demo video. Surveys can be done also with this tool. This tool will only cost you $15. Sorry, maybe it will be $70 after the launch, and don't be shocked, it will be $17 after the launch. Okay, so 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee is available. And also there are so many quick features or features of this tool. Basically it is hard to capture all of the features inside one page. And final words and my bonuses. So now let me show you. These bonuses will be given to you inside the front end. 29 bonuses, and there are some vendor bonuses. These are the vendor bonuses. Now you're watching, there are so many bonuses from the vendor comes by default with this tool, and there are some upsell bonuses, 400 plus tabs. You can click on the buttons given on this page. You will be sent to the sales page and get the tool. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.